So in this video, we're gonna see how we can use the ref in React with a class component. So the refs can be used with a class component, and with the help of this ref, we can directly access any DOM element or any of the child component. So let's see how we can use ref in a class component. So we're gonna create the class form, which will extend the component from the React, and then we have to create the constructor. Now inside the constructor we have to create the ref. So this.myRef, we have to use React.createRef method. So this will create one ref in a class component. So let's now define the render method, and we're just gonna return one input element and then export default form. Now we're gonna import that form component inside our app.js. So we're gonna import, and then we're gonna render the form component. So the form component has one simple input field. Whenever the form component loads, we wanted to focus on this specific input field, and for that we can use this ref. So here we have created our ref. Now we have to attach this ref to this input component so that we can select that. So we're gonna use the ref and we're gonna pass this.myRef. Now we're gonna use the component lifecycle method, component did mount. So whenever the component mounts, then this lifecycle method will be called, and here inside we're gonna use the ref. So this.myRef.current.focus method to focus on this input field. So we are basically saying whenever the component loads, then we're gonna focus on this specific input field. So now if we refresh, so you can see whenever the component loads, we have the input field on focus. So we are able to select that specific input field with the help of this ref. So this is the way we can use the ref in a class component, and we can select any specific DOM element. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.